Hi, Shayla with WTI, and if you want to elevate your whiskey experience, ditch the glass. Mr. Smokesome makes these amazing wooden whiskey tumblers. We absolutely love them. They are crafted from premium wood to just really elevate your drinking experience. It gives you a rich, smooth flavor. Come with these great coasters so you can enjoy them wherever you want. Whether you're drinking neat, on the rocks, even if you want to make a mixed drink such as an old fashioned, these are definitely the tumbler for you. We absolutely love that kind of rustic charm that it gives. But the craftsmanship and durability is amazing. It's just a great natural wood. They're all very unique and distinct. And also, I love that they have a beeswax treatment, so they're not going to leak. And they are not going to be cracking. They're very easy to clean up, just a quick little hand wash with some warm soapy water. And just overall, we have absolutely loved using them to enhance flavor, just give us that unique experience. This charred one just really helps bring out any of that smoky, peaty flavor that you may want. These make great gifts for whiskey bourbon drinkers. So not only are they super practical, but they are beautiful, they are stylish, and they just make an incredible gift and experience. So if you want to ditch the glass and enhance your whiskey experience, I would highly recommend these Mr. Smokesome wooden whiskey tumblers, and that's my point of view.